Okay, this is the t-shirt that I'm working with. It's a double-sided, and I have this little MyPillow that I'm going to put it on. So I'm going to worry about lining up the front, not so much the back. You just want to make sure that you have enough room to still have fringes, and the problem usually is that the space between the collar and the graphic. A lot of times the graphic's way high and you don't have room for your fringes. So I'm just going to cut off all the excess that I don't need. But this piece here on the bottom, you're going to save it because you're going to wrap it around your pillow before you insert the pillow. And I'm sure you'll notice mine's a little off. I never sweat all the small stuff. Then I'm going to cut 2 inches in on each corner, 2 inches up and 2 inches to the side for my fringes. This is the little pony bead we're going to be putting on. So you need to check the thickness of your t-shirt. If it's really thick, you'll have to cut really tiny fringes. I cut mine about a 1/2 inch each. Now this is how I put my pony beads on. If it's too thick, like this piece was too thick, just cut an angle, cut a little angle on it so that it'll fit through. It's just getting it started on the bead that's the problem. And I'm using an opened up paper clip to push mine in. And by the time I get through, I'm using needle nose pliers to pull it through because your fingers get sore from trying to pull all those. You want it to be snug. You don't want it to be loose. Or if anybody shakes the pillow, they'll fall off. So I'm just going to show you a couple getting put on. Now I've got 3 sides done. I'm getting ready to put my pillow in. But the reason you're going to put this around the pillow is so that when you tighten up your beads, I don't have mine tightened right now. When you tighten them up, the white of the pillow will show through in between your fringes. So I'm just going to cut off the hem because it's too thick. You don't want it to show through on your pillow, the lump. And then just wrap it around your pillow. You got to kind of hold it in place while you tuck the pillow inside. And then I still have one edge to bead. Also reach around in there and kind of flatten it out, that piece you put around the pillow, so you don't have lumps. Now I've got all the sides beaded and I'm just tightening up my beads all the way around. Just go along and push them in nice and tight and snug. Alrighty. Here is this one. The 2-sided. Here's the little square. And I think they came out adorable. Kind of manly, kind of not. But anyway, I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. Don't forget, if you have questions, you can ask in the comments, because a lot of times the people in the comments have great advice and they answer before I get to it. So you also can email me. My contact information is always in the description. And that's it for today. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.